Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you what I think is a very fun, soothing, and relaxing way to roll. And it is very soothing to me anyway. So what you do is you're going to lie on your back, bend your knees, put your feet flat on the floor, and we're going to do an upper body segmental roll and start reaching diagonally across our body. We're going to take this shoulder to this hip, and when we do that, we're just going to let our legs fall, and then we come up to our hands like we're sitting in a Shinbox, hey, and then we're just going to melt right back to where we were, and you just kind of completely relax. We're going to let the legs shift over. We're going to reach across this way, come up to a Shinbox, and then we're going to undo it. And you just, when you undo it, this is the part that feels amazing. So we reach across, come up, hey, and then we just kind of melt back to where we were, reach across, come up. To give you a different angle, so we're here, we use our eyes, our head, and our reach to come up to sitting in the Shinbox, and then we just come on back. And again, I love this. It just feels so good. And we're getting such great movement in our hips as well. So just doing this, the hips, man, and the pelvis getting to rotate, the low back getting to rotate, that feels wonderful. But what really feels wonderful is the letting go part where we just, man, that is the bee's knees. Anyway, give that a shot. Don't really have a name for this other than the soothing, relaxing, melting roll. Give it a shot. I hope you enjoy it. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification.